Organization Setup manages various areas of your account. The logo image appears at the top of the screen on the app, while the letterhead applies it to generic reports that are generated by the platform. Regional settings apply to all areas in the web portal and determine how information is displayed. The underlying date and time is stored as UTC, but displayed as your chosen time zone. For example, the submission date and time shown here has been adjusted according to the regional settings. The Email Options area allows you to set a default sender email and name. To use this feature, an SPF record must be added to your domain. Please see the knowledge base for more on this. Send invite emails to redirects all invites to the email specified here rather than the user email that was created. Reroute password resets intercepts the reset password email. To receive notifications about system errors, add email addresses to the Send Notifications To option. Metadata can be applied at your organization level and accessed in forms through the provided functions. Simply assign a key value pair and reference the key to retrieve the associated value. Items in the trash can be recovered up to the number of days set in the Purge Trash After setting.